Okay guys, in this video we will learn how to create proper local niche website on the expired domain. We will fetch as much data as we can from that expired domain and use it to create the proper local niche website using the local sites pro. So for the example, I got this expired domain, that is Travis Smith Roofing wa.net, and I have connected it with the Cloudflare. I bought it already via Namecheap and connected it to the Cloudflare. And from the SEMrush, we can fetch the data like for what keyword it was ranking. If you want the video on how to find the expired domain, I will create the next video on that topic also. But for now, let's focus on how to use the expired domain you have or any domain you have to create the proper micro niche website on that particular niche. So for this particular domain, we got these keywords like this particular domain was ranking for this keyword, that is brandable domain with this 50 traffic and 90 search volume, Smith Roofing 720 search volume, Roofing Bremerton, and this is the city, that Bremerton. So Bremerton is a city in Washington state. So it's clear that we can create the website on this particular city roofing niche. So now our city and the niche is finalized, that is roofer in Bremerton. And we can use other keyword like roof installation, roof repair, and these multiple keywords we will use. So now we have to finalize the primary and secondary keyword. So let's see if it was ranking for any installation or repair related keyword. It was ranking for roofing company related keyword on 11th position. It was ranking for Bremerton contractors, construction. There is no installation or repair kind of any primary or secondary keyword. So we can create that according to our need. So for now, we will use roof installation and roofing repair as the primary and secondary keyword. So let's start. Let's create website and we'll name it the Bremerton Roofer. Company name, we'll use the Bremerton Roofers. If you are building it for pay-per-call affiliate like LeadSmart, then you should use these generic names like city plus niche, so that when you get calls for these keywords from this website, your calls won't get disconnected. Now for the city, we will use the Bremerton, and state will be WA, United States. For business address, we can go like Bremerton WA roofer and get address from any website like this address. If you have real address, you can use that, but for affiliate website, we can use any random address. So by just replacing few words and we get some related address. I got this phone number for my roofing website. I will use it and then click next. On next page, we'll choose a roofing service category. Next, here we'll use the roof installation as primary keyword and roof repair as a secondary keyword. You can use any micro niche keyword also. And then for the AI, so for the services, we can use the AI suggestion or we can put the services manually also. Let's see if we can find the services from Yelp listing of that particular domain, and we can see only roof repair is there, so we can't use much. Yeah, from Yelp we can see only roof repair is there, so we can use other services from here like emergency, skylight, gutter replacement, flat roof, metal roof repair, metal roof installation, or we can add multiple services up to 20. For now I'm just putting a few and click next. Here we have to put the neighborhoods or nearby areas. We'll again use the AI to fetch the nearby areas and we'll put all the areas here with the zip code. You can put your list manually also, but I will be using the AI feature for now. And now I have to choose the color option. So I will just choose any random colors and classic layout for now. And if I want to add the disclaimer, if I am using the website for affiliate, I can do this also using this thing. For now, I will skip the disclaimer feature for now. Click on next and the homepage prompt. Now, by using this default prompt, it will create the simple website like others are also using. But if you want more advanced kind of website, you can use more customized prompt. For example, you can just copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT or any AI like Claude also, put this prompt here and ask it to optimize the prompt to get more local SEO optimized content to rank for roof repair installation keywords in yeah. So now it will give you the more optimized prompt to use. Make sure the placeholders are same so that the backend will generate the content accordingly. Similar thing you can do for service page and the location pages. For now I'm just doing it for the home page. I did for location and service pages in other website also. I will put the link of that chat in the YouTube description so that you can learn from there and implement in your website. So now click on next. Again, get the blog post titles. Now all the blog post I will be using. And then next. I will host it on Netlify. And this will be my slug. So I will use it like this. Bremerton WA roofers. If you want to add any iframe for like any affiliate form, you can put that also. And for AI model, I will use the MetaLlama. You can use any model, then click next and then enable calculator page. Now it will create the calculator also. If you want, you can get the idea for calculator using the ChatGPT also, like ask it to suggest any calculator page idea and it will give you roof replacement cost calculator, roof repair cost estimator. So let's just use this roof repair cost calculator. Put it here and it will create the slug for you, meta title for you, meta description for you. Now for the calculator description, if you want, you can ask the ChatGPT for proper prompt or you can just put this roof repair cost estimator. Now click on next and build the website. It will take few minutes and will build the website with all the data you provided. Now your website is completed. It will take you to the websites page. You can either download the website and it will give you the zip file or you can use this to edit the website. In next videos, I will show you how to optimize the website, how to add more things like how to edit and what actually to edit the things. For now, I will just deploy it to the Netlify by giving that on that same slug, that is Bremerton WA roofers, and just click on deploy. You have to save your Netlify and Open Router API keys as shown in the last videos so that it will work accordingly. Now click on view website and you will see your website is successfully deployed to the Netlify with all the pages like services, areas, and if you have seen, it has created the optimized content based on the prompt you provided, and all the services on the areas pages are created. On the blog page, you can see blog pages are also created with the internal linking. Now let's connect the domain to this. Now just go to your Netlify, login, and you can see your website is deployed. Go to project configuration, go to domain management, click on add domain and add the domain you already on. Our domain is this. So copy it and paste it here Make sure there are no spaces. Click on verify, add domain. Now it will say awaiting external DNS. Click on that alert and it will give you these details. Copy this IP, go to your Cloudflare. Make sure you have connected your domain to the Cloudflare first before connecting to the Netlify so that the IPs are changed. Go to DNS, add a tag, and the IP. Again, add one more thing, CNAME, www and @, and save it. Again, go back to the Netlify, close it. It may take few minutes or sometime an hour for like approving that the DNS things. You can check it by opening the domain in incognito window. And yeah, it's connected. It's working perfectly fine. Now the thing is your domain is connected, but if you go to the domain and you see the sitemap.xml, it still has that netlify.app domain. So what you have to do is just go to your visual editor, go to site and replace the domain here. It will auto detect the domain by for you. You have to just give your main domain here, that is this. Copy it, copy your main domain. Make sure to remove the last slash and click on replace domain in sitemap. When you click, you can see your domain is replaced in sitemap. Same thing for the robot.txt. Paste the domain, remove the last slash, replace domain in robot.txt. Save it. It will take few seconds or a minute. Yeah, it's saved, and click on redeploy. When you click on redeploy, you don't have to put the slug again. Just click on deploy and it will update the website to your existing project on Netlify. It will again take few, yeah, it's uploaded. Click on view website. And now when you refresh your sitemap.xml, you can see your domain is successfully replaced there. Same in robots.txt also. And your website is successfully ready. Now let's set up the Google Search Console. Now I will just go to Search Console and we'll select any account, create property, add the URL here, continue. We'll get the HTML tag, copy it, go to visual editors, refresh it, go to site again, and the HTML, paste it, apply to the page, click on it, and then save it. And after saving, click on redeploy. Go to Search Console and try verifying it, and it should verify now. Yeah, it's verified. Go to property, copy your domain again, go to sitemaps, add sitemap.xml, submit it. Sitemap is submitted successfully. Now put the domain in the inspection and click on request indexing, and your domain is now ready to get indexed by the Google. So I hope you have liked this video. In this video we have successfully created the micro-niche website on an expired domain, connected the search console, added the sitemap, did few changes. In next videos I will give you go through of this visual editor, like what features we have, what we can do more on these things. Or meanwhile you can also explore by yourself, as all the features are self-explanatory. And I will create more videos like how to find the expired domain, how to do more micro niche, how to do internal linking, how to add more columns, more sections, and multiple other things. Till then, stay tuned.